Future Bafana Bafana number one Fletcher Lowe tipped as Ron Williams' successor. With Ron Williams approaching the twilight of his career, the question looms, who will be South Africa's next trusted guardian between the posts? According to local talent scout Prince Sobayeni, the answer may already be emerging in Europe. His name is Fletcher Lowe. The 19-year-old Amachicha goalkeeper turned heads during the recent Under-20 Africa Cup of Nations in Egypt, where his performances were nothing short of spectacular. Lowe kept 4 clean sheets, pulled off 24 crucial saves, and was deservedly named the tournament best goalkeeper as South Africa made a strong impression on the continental stage. Speaking to Times Live publication, he said he seems like the natural successor to Ronwen. Football, and you never know how things go, but if things go smoothly, it should be. Sobayeni believes Lowe has the potential to fast track into the senior setup and is already being monitored by Bafana Bafana head coach Hugo Broos. And that he's young, some of us are arguing now, why not make him Bafana Bafana's third choice keeper? Let him gain experience because we've already seen his quality. Broos has said there's a goalkeeping crisis among young players in South Africa. The fact that he mentioned Fletcher means the kid is on his radar. Lowe's journey began in Cape Town, where he spent his development years with Ubuntu Cape Town FC. His life took a turn when his family relocated to Portugal for work, which also opened new doors for the aspiring shortstopper. He soon joined a local side, Aureus, and from there was scouted by Avelca, a club that has since been promoted to the Portuguese top flight. He currently plies his trade at Estoril Praia and, following his exploits with Amachicha, is expected to attract interest from clubs both in Portugal and abroad. Back home, the succession plan for Williams remains uncertain. Veteran keepers like Sage Stephens, Veli Mota, and Sipho Chain are trusted figures at their respective clubs, but age is not on their side. Broos has previously urged PSL clubs to stop relying heavily on foreign goalkeepers and give more opportunities to local talents, a call that makes Lowe's rapid rise even more significant. Interestingly, Lowe has a soft spot for Kaizer Chiefs and has expressed interest in donning the gold and black jersey in the future. He's hopeful of playing for Chiefs one day. That dream could bring him back to South African shoes, much to the delight of Amakosi supporters who are always eager to welcome top talent. For now, Fletcher Lowe remains one to watch, a name South Africans may soon hear echoing in the senior national setup as Bafana Bafana prepares for a new era between the sticks. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.